positivos, you welcome to a new video. I am Cesar Fernandez, and today's videos I'm gonna show you how I am performing my job every day. Let's check it out. Peace. Basically, what I'm doing every day is the first time when I arrive to my to the job is get my scanner, get my paperwork, get my kit, get my hand trucks, looking for my truck. Do the inspection of the whole truck and make sure going to the back to the trailers and check my electric pallet if it is full charger. If it is anything it's gonna fall off, just try to put in a safety place. Make sure all is ready straps. But the most important about this is when you go before I leaving, I gotta make sure all my paperwork has the times I'm gonna arrive to the place. Like for instance, my first job today is gonna be at 7:46, but right now it's 8:20, so I am behind the schedule. But this job is about timing, so they performing you every week. You performing. If you are below 100% of the scanner rate, you are in trouble because we haven't signed up paperwork like say. Yeah, the first one is gonna be a verbal. The another 4 ones gonna be write up. If you don't get the 100%, if you get less than that, the first one, every time you're gonna have a supervisor with you. But the last one is gonna be a determination. They're gonna fire you. So that's why it's super important to understand that it's about timing. It doesn't matter if you have ahead of the schedule. It doesn't matter if you are behind the schedule, like right now behind the schedule, but I gotta do my numbers in my first job. Today I have 8 minutes to do this job, and it's 16 paces, and it should be fine. But sometimes the first thing is like insane, like everything mixed. You gotta find the pieces and put together, deliver it to the place. Another thing is if you are the first time in that place and you don't know where it's gonna be the loading point, is another time. So you gotta make sure put delay in the scanner, cause this is about timing, like I said. What I'm doing, just turning on my light, get my corner set it up. Today I went inside and they told me I have to park in the loading dock, so I have to back it up. So technically, I have to do all this in 4 minutes. Let's check it out. Está fácil la primera. So all the pallets is mixed with another customer. This one has number 2 and number 3, and this one has number 1, number 2, number 4, number 5, number 3. You see, it's all, most of the time I put everything against to the wall and just leave it there when the time right to get to that customer, just get it from there. But like I said, I got cooler in this area, I got dry in this area, and when my frozen is behind that board right there. So every time it's like you gotta work around with this job. It's about performing. Like I say, I gotta do this in 8 minutes, which is ideal. It was easy. So, and then I have to turn off all the time my electric pallet. Just don't get on charge and just keep doing with the next one. And every single person work different. That's the way I am working. So in my next job, basically I'm gonna have a ride to 826, which is late already. It's already about 9 a.m. So I'm gonna have a 24 minute to unload this one. So let's take a look how the thing is going. Oh my gosh, I wanna cry. This thing is fall off. See, now I am super behind on the schedule. It's because I put those carbon natural there on top. It's nothing like that. I mean, see the straps, how they put the strap right here all the way down, man. Fuck, man. So now it's more complicated. Every box weighs like about 40 to 60 pounds. All with the safety lift gate always. I still need to fix this one. I need to take like 7 items from the freezer, but see all this a mess because the straps they put it all the way down, so everything what I have on top is fall off from this one. So I need to fix this one, put another straps and get my freezer out. So I have to take this pallet and put it right here and then get my freezer with the hand trap. Let's see how it looks. See, that's the problem when they set it out all the ice cream liquid in one side. So those boxes, they are not strong enough to hold it straight up, and they put just one strap. So that's what happened. It's crazy. Too much heavy, too much weight in this pallet. The box, it doesn't support the bottom, so you see it's almost gonna fall off. I tried to fix this one already, but it's taking me so long, man. Too much time. After all, I fixed the 3 pallets. I put everything else against the wall, I strap it, and hopefully everything is gonna be right. I just about to start number 3. Basically, in this stop, I got like 2 pallets to drop it off, and I want you guys to remind you that every single stop has their own timing. So in this stop, I have 32 minutes to do everything done, but I have like 2 pallets so it's already. Remember, the one is messed it up, so I fix it, I grab it, and he's only what it has to do is just scan it. Let's see what's going on. You see, all the pallet is ready to go, so I know where it has to go. This is my first time in this location, and it looks like super easy. So you know, I got, like I said, like 32 minutes to do all this. I should be fine. All right, let's go. So this is my last pallet, and I got like got 15 minutes left. You can see just have its own drinks, its own meat. So almost. It's gonna be somewhere around here, but I'm not sure. I have to go inside and ask them. I just about to do my 4 stops, so it's super easy. It's 10 boxes, and I got 7 minutes. It's just those small boxes. I have it ready just to load it out in my hand truck. Let's see what's going on. I'm doing my start number 7. Is all the ice cream and heavy stuff. So what I'm doing is preparing inside of the fridge. So outside is super hot, it's over 100 degrees. So this is the smartest thing I can do, you know. I shut the door, so in here it's like 37 degrees. So this is already skiing. And also have the cooler and have the freezer and some more dry stuff. So I'm just getting ready to go rock and roll. Peace. So this one is going for my next customer. Everything else is already inside of the building. Good job, Mr. Fernandez. I still have 2 more stops and I'm ready to go in there. I can say this is the last 2 stops. That's the easier one. So basically I got the number 10 and number 11 right there. And all the job is kind of be done quickly, right? It doesn't feel like so hard, but if you think about it, when you start, like everything is mixed, you got cooler, frozen, and dry. It's kind of hard, but to the end, it's like you got satisfied whatever you did in all day. So just keep doing the last 2 ones. Sounds like amazing. Number 10 and number 11. Wow. So this is my last job. I have to clean out all my shit, everything. Clean it out, like collect all the garbage and pallet, and I'm ready to go. All inside of you, feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the group. Oh man, I've been driving for 2 hours and 30 minutes. It's crazy. The traffic is crazy from Santa Rosa to Modesto. It's gonna take me like 3 hours and 30 minutes. I have to drive 1 hour more to get to the yard. It's crazy. This is the bad thing about this route. Everything else is easy. It's just about the driving time. In the morning, it's about 3 hours from Modesto to Santa Rosa. Man, hopefully you guys like my video, and don't forget to give me my thumbs up. This job is no hard. It's just about attitude. That's it, man. Just hopefully you try to get into this business too, the food service. It's crazy, but you're gonna love this, man. Don't forget to subscribe. See you hasta la vista, baby. Bye bye. Peace.